Hey guys, Mike here. So a couple of weeks back we were in Lacombe, Alberta, and we were lured into coming back to shoot this big monument, which you've probably guessed already by the title. There's a giant fishing lure in Lacombe. Due to some technical difficulties, I was unable to get my drone up, which is probably good because there's an airport within like a quarter mile of this big fishing lure. I did get some footage of it, so what you're about to see is what I got. Hopefully we can reel in a couple of subscribers with this. If you want to follow Gradient Imaging hook, line, and sinker, we are on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'll leave some links in the description so you can get hooked on my content. Sorry. bad jokes. Anyways, subscribe if that's something you're into. Share the video with a friend who you think might enjoy it. So until next time, bye-bye.